Hey Legends, want to carry your hard-earned skins and stats across platforms? Here's how to enable cross-progression in Apex. Fast and easy. First, go to EA.com and sign in. Once you're signed in, click on your profile picture and click on Account Settings. If you haven't linked your console account, Xbox, PlayStation, or Switch to EA, do it now under Connections in your account settings. Your Apex account is linked to the EA account that you're using. So for example, if you want to play on Xbox with the account that you were playing on Steam, you need to make sure that both Steam and Xbox accounts are linked to the same EA account, like this. That said, if you want to play on PlayStation with the same accounts that you were using, you have to make sure that you click on link, follow the instructions, and to confirm that your account is linked, it will show up with a check mark like this. Now, launch Apex Legends on any platform and follow the on-screen prompts to merge your accounts. Make sure you choose the right primary account. This will carry over your progress. Once merged, restart your game and check your inventory. Your progress, cosmetics, and unlocks should now be synced. And that's it. Now you can flex your OG skins on any platform. See you next time!